Hello guys. Hello guys. So today we'll go to the beach.
No, we're not. We're going to the museum.
We're going to the beach. And here's my mother. Here's my sister. Here's my father. We'll be driving for I don't know how many hours. Here's my Julia.
Stop.
And
Marv, I don't care. Marv,
okay.
Stop. Marv, delete it.
Okay. Now we'll see you at the beach. Bye.
Hey. What you want? Yalla. Sakit ng dalawa eh. Patay naman siya. Eh. Asa na ba yun? Sarap ng dagat, oh. Nag-i-enjoy sila, oh. Itong gusto ko yung ganyan, maalon. Kalutang-lutang ako. Gusto ko yan. Maano siya, tawag ito. Nag-i-enjoy sila, oh.
Okay. Okay lang yan. Okay lang ha. Basa na nga tayo. Ito pala